Hey everybody, Brandon Costa from Sports Video Group. We're here with you today in New York City at the Sports Asset Management and Storage Forum, and we have the pleasure now to be joined by the team from Sony, who's the title sponsor of today's event. We're going to start with Deon LeCointe from Sony. Deon, thanks for being here today,
Thank
and
you.
why don't you give us a little bit of the background of Sony's involvement specifically in asset management and then specifically in sports?
Sure. Well, Sony's always played a big role in sports. We've been very proud of our involvement at every level, including with our studio cameras, our servers, our switchers, our monitors. This year at NAB, we actually launched our HTC 4300 camera, which is a 2/3 inch, 3-chip, 4K camera, and it's been a resounding success in the marketplace. It's actually already being used on a number of major sporting events, and people have seen it on air, and they love the results that they're getting from the camera. From an asset management perspective, we're very proud at this show to be showing two of our key technologies, one of them being the Optical Dish Archive and the other being the Media Cloud Services C platform, which really does go along with what the market is demanding from an asset management, archive, and storage perspective.
Cool. And we're also joined by Steve Sarafian to my right here. Tion kind of teed you up a little bit there to talk about the Optical Disk Archive. What's the latest with that system, and how does that fit into the sports marketplace?
Okay. Yeah, we're showing our Optical Disk Archive product. So it's a 50-year archive. It's based on a Blu-ray disc. It's a cartridge of 12 discs, and we have everything from a desktop sort of standalone solution all the way up to enterprise level solutions. So the key points are 50-year archive life, and there's no migration from generation to generation. And our next generation, later in 2016, will double the capacity, bringing it up to about 3.6 terabytes.
And last but certainly not least, Mr. David Rosen, who will talk a little bit about the C Cloud. What makes that product unique specifically for sports?
Well, I think what we're hearing at this conference is what the explosion of content is actually doing to these particular networks. And they have to be able to deal with that in a way that scales. And we're really happy at Sony to have both an on-prem solution with our ODA, where we can have a 50-year lifespan of your most important content, but also to have that burstable scalability in the cloud from an archive perspective. So there's situations where you'll have your source content stored on ODA, but you want to have a third copy from a DR perspective in the cloud. And one of the benefits of that is it's instantly available to anybody through a web browser anywhere in the world, as long as they've got the right security access. So great collaboration capabilities built in, plus you're solving a serious storage problem that everybody has today.
Great. All right, awesome stuff. Guys, thank you so much for being here at the show today. Thanks for supporting SVG in this event, and we always appreciate working with you guys.
Great to be here. Thanks, Brandon.
All right, for more information regarding the Sports Asset Management and Storage Forum, you can follow the event on Twitter at #SVGSAMS, and we'll have post-event coverage at sportsvideo.org.